Buche de Noel. Christmas cake. A dessert from France. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Beat the eggs for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high or about 5 minutes by hand. Add the sugar and vanilla and beat well. Step 2. In a bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Add to the egg, stirring to combine well. Step 3. Grease a jelly roll pan or baking sheet with sides. Spread with parchment paper, grease and flour the paper in the pan. Step 4. Pour in the batter and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until cake is springy when touched with finger, 15 to 18 minutes. Step 5. Sprinkle a kitchen towel with powdered sugar and use the towel to turn out the cake. Roll the cake in the towel starting with the short end. Let cool. Step 6. Unroll gently so as not to crack the cake and frost inside with ganache or icing. Roll the cake back up and ice with more ganache or icing and decorate with meringue mushrooms, ivy, cranberries or nuts. Country Reports. For an authentic touch, use a kitchen fork to trace log lines on the